Let's discuss exercise 12.1. Question number 1. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeters and 9 centimeters respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of two circles. Here given radii of two circles. Draw two circles. This is one circle with radius 19 centimeters. Another circle radius is 9 centimeters. Let this is R1, this is R2. And here given one condition. The circle which has circumference equal to sum of the circumferences of two circles. Another circle, let radius of the circle equal to R. Here perimeter of the circle equal to perimeter of first circle plus perimeter of second circle. This is the given data. First write given data. Radii of two circles 19 centimeters and 9 centimeters respectively, and given condition perimeter of new circle equal to sum of the perimeter of first two circles. Okay, this is the given data, and here we have to find radius of the circle, radius of the new circle. Radius of new circle. What is the perimeter of the circle? 2 pi r. Here perimeter of the first circle equal to 2 pi. Here r equal to radius equal to r1. 2 pi into r1 plus perimeter of the second circle 2 pi r2. Here 2 pi is common. r1 plus r2. 2 pi get cancelled. R equal to r1 plus r2. Therefore r equal to r1. Here first circle radius is 19 centimeters. Second circle radius r2 equal to 9 centimeters. 19 plus 9, which is equal to 28 centimeters. Therefore radius of the new circle equal to 28 centimeters. Second question. Read the question. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. Here given radii of two circles 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively. Draw two circles. This is the first circle with radius 8 centimeters. Second circle with radius 6 centimeters. Here given one condition. One new circle area. This is a new circle with radius, let R. Here given condition is area of new circle is equal to sum of the areas of first two circles. Area of new circle equal to sum of the areas of first two circles. What is the area of first circle? We know the formula, area of the circle is pi r square. First write given data. Given the radii of two circles are 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively, and the new circle area equal to sum of the areas of first two circles. Okay, what is the area of first circle? Pi. Here radius is r1, here radius is r2. r1 square. Second circle area pi r2 square. Pi into r1 square is 8 centimeter square. Pi into r2 square is 6 centimeter square. Here pi is common. 8 square is 64. 6 square is 36. Pi get cancelled. R square equal to 64 plus 36. It gives 100. R equal to root of 100, which is equal to plus or minus 10. Radius never be negative, so take positive. Plus 10. Therefore, radius of the new circle equal to 10 centimeters.